Geographic information is a very powerful tool for decision making, but not everybody has access to the technology and the resources to either collect the data or organize the data so that they can make sense of the patterns on the ground. The course that we're talking about is called GIS Workshop. It's a class about building relationships between our students who have a lot of technical expertise in using GIS or Geographic Information Systems, and community organizations that have projects that could use that kind of technical expertise.
What we do is we basically take what we've learned from GIS in previous classes and we apply it in a real-world setting.
I've taken these courses just I like the programming, like making the maps, and it helps with meteorology.
The partners we're working with this semester are the United Way of Delaware County, Open Door Health Services, the City of Muncie's Community Development Office, and the White River Watershed Project.
My partner was Colby Gray with the White River Watershed Project. We're looking at the different CSOs, which is the combined sewer systems, and seeing which one of those have a higher flow rate, and then possibly seeing which areas need more green space depending on the runoff.
Doing GIS, using these technologies, is actually a really social and political kind of activity.
A lot of it involves meeting with people outside of the classroom completely.
These are not all geography students. We have students who are in biology. We have students who are in the environmental resource program here at Ball State. We have a journalism student in our class.
I'm in the natural resources department, so I knew a lot more of the environmental management aspect, and I knew what a CSO was, and I knew impervious versus green space and the types and the amount of runoff and things like that.
The other outcome is making connections with organizations that have seen value in the technical skills that they have. These things turn into internships, which turn into jobs, and that's very valuable for students as well.
Really being able to see the work that we're doing in some way, shape, or form impact Muncie.
I'm not just doing a made-up project. I'm doing something that's actually going to help an organization that professionally I might be interested in.
Are the partners able to use what we've produced for them to achieve some of their goals that are really doing good in the community? But also for the students, if they're able to turn these things into enduring relationships, potential jobs, internships, but also able to take away the perspectives that they gain from this experience and apply them in other settings, that's a successful outcome too.